Today we will learn how to create slice text in Adobe Illustrator in this 2 minutes to learn session. Let's dive into Adobe Illustrator. Let's go to the text tool and then choose the font. I will choose the Gotham Black and 72. Let's type sliced and then I will choose its fill color to white. Escape and let's resize this. I will add the shift key and let's go to object and expand. Okay, now let's go to the line segment, or we can use the backslash, that is the shortcut. Let's click and drag and then let's select both of these and let's go to Windows and then Pathfinder Panel, and then we will just use the divide. Let's go to the object and ungroup. Now I will just select these and then I will just copy and then paste in front. Now let's go to the gradient and I will just click one of these and let's go to the shortcut, that is Z. Just click and drag. Okay, I am satisfied with this one. Now let's select the bottom one and we will just shift this by the up arrow, shift and then up arrow, 0 to zoom. Let's just, by this way we can create the slice text in Adobe Illustrator. Thanks for watching.